tired of tangled cords cluttering your workspace? The GZOKMOG Under-Desk Cable Management Tray offers a simple, no-drill solution to keep your cables organized and out of sight. Designed to fit easily under your desk, it's a smart way to create a cleaner, safer environment without any hassle. Installation takes less than 3 minutes and requires no drilling, so you can protect your desk surface from scratches thanks to included rubber pads. Unlike other cable organizers that might damage your furniture, this tray keeps your desk looking pristine while managing your wires efficiently. Built from premium carbon steel, this heavy-duty tray supports up to 20 pounds. Its reinforced metal mesh and sturdy bottom ensure it holds up over time, making it perfect for busy home offices or gaming setups. Measuring 15.75 inches long and 4.72 inches wide, it fits comfortably under most desks. The tray features 2 side openings for quick cable insertion and removal. This thoughtful design works especially well with standing desks, allowing you to adjust or add wires without the usual frustration. It's all about making your workspace functional and clutter-free. Keeping cords, power strips, and chargers neatly tucked away reduces tripping hazards and protects cables from pets or accidental damage. The GZOKMOG Cable Organizer helps you maintain a tidy, safe workspace where distractions and mess don't get in the way of productivity. This cable management tray fits desks with flat edges between 0.2 and 2 inches thick. Before ordering, simply measure your desk's thickness and power strip dimensions to ensure a perfect fit. It's a versatile solution compatible with a wide range of desks and setups. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace with a durable, easy-to-install cable organizer, the GZOKMOG tray is worth a look. It offers practical benefits, solid construction, and a sleek black finish that blends seamlessly with any office or gaming desk. Keep your workspace clean, safe, and efficient with the GZOKMOG Under-Desk Cable Management Tray. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free cable management that truly makes a difference.